great. The part 2 is this part. Oh no. These are my dead things. Oh, great. I must be the toilets and the offices. Let's go to the way. This is must be the way, and it's where oh god, this must be a really bad way. So where there's a staff only lifts. Now into the spooky staff only lifts. Who must be really bad lifts. Oh shit. It'd be a really nice decent grabs. Another modern. Well, this one is here. Really amazing. There's another abandoned shop. Here. Here is a nasty scrap. Here, this is another abandoned shop. Here are lots of abandoned shops. Really mystery. This looks like the oldest in Croydon, so some of the shops abandoned. The oldest in Croydon is being abandoned. And there's another shop abandoned. And this is another shop that is abandoned. These are abandoned shops, except Springfield. Where the heck they died? Let's go to the lift. I'll be down. Let's go, and that's it. Oh no. This is not the end. They live in the Bible. Has not been recorded. Well, this must be a great shop. This is someday that could be one of my dad's favorite shops abandoned. This must be a great thing. Really nice. This ain't so. Taking really bad. With it. Really associated. Some shops are really nice to see. To live in the Bible. Oh, before you forget. Let's go. Oh no. Not the bowling alley. Anything with the bowling alley. Because I wanted to be ready for the supermarket. Next time we can go to the bowling alley. Because I wanted to watch some things I like. Got it? Got it. Your behavior is getting really bad. Just like a troublemaker. These escalators must be going slow. Let's hear. It's escalator surfing time. I see, it's escalator surfing time again. Holy shit. I can sit in the escalator. This must be the great thing. Ouch. Let's go to the living Bible. By the way, there's some people under the escalators. This is the second time. I thought they did use escalators every time. Two times the escalator surfing time. Not to the Bible. And into the next lift. It's a really bad lift. This is really stupid, generic. But the button has been replaced. Shit. Holy shit.
Último.
Okay.
Bajamos, subimos, apaga.
Well, go down, go up, the end. No, not the end, anything but the end. But I want to surf some more escalators. Because I want to do the 3 times the escalator surfing time. Here the car park one. So this is only the parking one. Oh shit. Oh dad.
Subiendo. Planta 0. Abriendo puertas.
Ouch.
Stop.
Thank you for watching.
Stop.
Don't forget to
Stop.
subscribe to my channel and comment
¿Te
below.
acuerdas?